ProNail Complex reviews, urgent update, fake fungus supplement or really works. Were you embarrassed by your nails and avoid exposing your toes and hands in gatherings? Look no further because ProNail Complex Serum is here to help. It is a revolutionary product designed for people suffering from stubborn fungal infections that keep returning, no matter what. It is easily absorbed in the nail bed, where it rejuvenates the cells and prepares them to fight against the invader damaging them. The best part? It offers a semi-permanent solution for these infections and is completely pain-free. Official website, click link comment box. This review will explore how ProNail Complex Spray works, who can use it, and where to buy it from. Let's dive in to know these details and then decide on it. ProNail Complex reviews. A serum that kills fungus? Before jumping towards the product, it is necessary to understand the fungal nail infections first so that you can decide if this product is suitable for you. Toenail infections are stubborn, ugly, and challenging to deal with. They may start as simple discoloration and no pain at all. But when you ignore them, and they sit on the nails for weeks or months, they turn into something really destructive and could completely break off your nail. Worse, they are highly contagious, and before you can do anything, they are on all your nails, and you might have accidentally transmitted them to your partner or friends. ProNail Complex is a topical solution for the fungal infections that make your life miserable. This serum penetrates deeply and works against every fungal spore that comes in its way. It is different from medicines because it does not only heal the symptoms, but also works on the problem directly. Millions of people are victims of stubborn toenail infections, but only a few find help at early stages that could prevent the spread of these infections. Many of you might know fungal nail infections as onychomycosis, which is a medical term for the infection when it has reached a spreadable level. If you are already diagnosed with it, medicines would be a better choice for you. But those suspected of catching a fungal toenail infection in its early stages can get help from these non-prescription remedies, such as ProNail Complex, and avoid visiting a doctor for it. Before your nails become deformed, discolored, and cracked, it is high time you explore the options that could potentially save you from this mortification. Continue reading to know what ProNail Complex is and what makes it so effective. Official website, click link comment box. Introducing ProNail Complex. ProNail Complex is a topical solution for the fungal infections affecting your nails. It includes well-researched and scientifically proven ingredients that kill the pathogen and repair the damage altogether. What distinguishes it from other antifungal products is that ProNail Complex comes in a spray form, which makes its usage easier. All you have to do is clean the affected area, dry it properly, and spray the serum directly. The microparticles in the serum go deep down to the skin. Within a few weeks, the cells start auto-repairing with a continuous supply of nutrients through the spray. Plus, you can use it on hand nails and toes, affected and healthy both. For healthy nails, it will just act as an extra protective layer so that the fungal infections are not spread there. The ingredients are safe for your skin and do not irritate or damage it. The entire stock is made in the US, in FDA-approved facilities, and double-checked through independent testing services. There are no side effects linked with this product. How does it work? Every dose of ProNail Complex provides antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant effects with the help of its proprietary blend. It revitalizes the nails, makes them strong, and prevents breakage. Within a short time, you will see the discoloration going away, the chipped nails will heal, and the natural shine and color will return. Remember that ProNail Complex Spray is not a replacement for any medicine. If you are advised to use a medicine, do not replace this product with it. Also, basic hygiene and foot care are necessary no matter which antifungal product you choose. Talk to the customer support if you have questions regarding the usage. Best deal online, click link comment box to order ProNail Complex supplement at a discounted price today. ProNail Complex ingredients. The selection for the ProNail Complex serum ingredients is made after checking the research evidence carefully. Every ingredient that goes inside is efficient, safe, and easy on the skin. The manufacturing is carried out under strict supervision and highest quality standards, and all these things leave no suspicion to mistrust this product. Here is a list of ProNail Complex ingredients. Mineral oil. This oil is a great hydrator for the skin and nails. It initiates the damage repair and creates the protective barrier of the skin again, which locks the moisturizer and keeps it from dryness. It also reduces the chances of cracks, allowing fungus to enter the skin. Sweet almond oil. This oil contains essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It nourishes, repairs, and heals the nails affected by fungus. Organic flaxseed oil. It provides omega-3 fatty acids supplied to the cells. The inflammation is relieved, and the nails go back to healthy growth. Tea tree oil. This essential oil has a strong antimicrobial effect, which keeps the skin and nails healthy and fungus-free. Aloe vera. Adding aloe vera in ProNail Complex ingredients gives it a soothing effect. It is also a natural moisturizer that heals irritated and damaged skin. Canola oil. This ingredient is rich in vitamin E, which returns elasticity and stretches to the skin. It is also an antioxidant that heals the damage caused by free radicals, causing cellular damage. Walnut oil. This ProNail Complex ingredient offers antioxidant support, strengthens the nail bed, and restores the nail's texture damaged by fungus. Their ingredients. Camphor oil. This ingredient has both antifungal and antimicrobial effects to offer. It relieves redness, itching, and inflammation caused by the fungus. Clove Bud Oil. It also has an antimicrobial effect, which makes fungal toenail infections management easier. Jojoba Oil. This oil moisturizes the skin and nails, healing the dryness and brittleness by repairing them. Chia Oil. This oil has a rich amount of omega-3 fatty acids, which repair and build up the nails. It also rehydrates the skin and enhances nail growth. Lemongrass Oil. It gives an antimicrobial effect to ProNail Complex spray. Inside this product, it works on bacterial infections that sometimes coincide with fungal infections. Lavender Oil. It has a soothing effect with strong antifungal support. It also relaxes the brain and eases the stress that the fungal infection patients experience. Menthol. It gives a cooling effect to the spray and relieves any discomfort triggered by the fungus. Undesolenic acid. This ingredient offers antifungal support and kills the infection before it spreads to other nails. These ingredients work great as a combination and promote healthy nails and skin. It is an all-inclusive solution to remove the toenail fungus, repair the nail bed, and grow healthy nails again. Read the customer reviews on ProNail Complex to know how this product has helped others. Some are posted on the website so new users can read and decide on buying. What is the right way to use ProNail Complex spray? It's very easy to use ProNail Complex compared to pills and serums that work the same way. It is advised to use this spray on your clean and dry feet, preferably after a shower. You can spray it on all nails. It dries quickly and leaves no grease or residue on the skin. Once it is dry, wear your socks and shoes and start your day. Use cotton socks so that the skin has space to breathe, and avoid using synthetic and mixed fabric socks that are super harsh on the skin. It starts working right away, and while you work and do your regular things, the nails and skin heal. You can use it twice a day for the best results, once in the morning and the second before your bedtime so that the formula stays on your feet for hours. Do not forget to dry the serum completely before moving or wearing your socks or shoes. The ingredients are gentle and safe. There are no side effects that they could cause. You can use the spray for as long as your nails need. Best about ProNail Complex. There are so many good things about ProNail Complex spray, some of which are as follows. Home-based treatment. It is a product that could be used in the comfort of your house. You do not need to visit a hospital or clinic for it. Non-prescription formula. It is available without a prescription. The reason is that ProNail Complex has no abuse potential, and there are no side effects expected from it. Hence, you do not need it prescribed to you. Natural herbal treatment. ProNail Complex is made with premium ingredients obtained from plant sources. It does not have chemicals and toxins inside, which makes it safe for everyday use. Nourishes from inside. Although this product is only used topically, its ingredients work from the inside. They strengthen, nourish, and rejuvenate the cells and promote healthy nails and skin.